Keep your wood furniture looking its best with a few tips from the experts at Havertys. Wood furniture is strong and resilient, but these surfaces are frequently exposed to food, drinks, and other items that may pose a risk to the wood's beauty. To prevent scratches on shelves and tables, use adhesive felt pads on the bottom of each of your decorative accents. Heat can damage and dull a wood table's finish. Remember to place chargers under hot plates and use trivets or protective placemats under other hot items like serving bowls, pizza boxes, and candles. Moisture can also damage your wood table's finish. Avoid water stains by promptly wiping away moisture with a clean, soft cloth. To prevent water rings, coasters are your best bet, and they can add another stylish design element to your tablescape or living space. Wipe your wood furniture with a dry cloth to eliminate dust buildup that can cause fine scratches. For best results, always wipe in the direction of the wood grain. At Havertys, we craft each piece of furniture to become a long-lasting part of your home. With these tips, your wood furniture will stand up to life's everyday messes and look beautiful for years to come. To learn more, check out our furniture care guide at havertys.com.